But anyway, with ladders, I've got to do this next. This I chopped out. You can see the difference in the grass here. That was all bushes and trees what I took out last year. And I've cut the hedge back, or whatever they are, sort of a hedge. It was all the way along here. And this was, well, you couldn't see them houses. So that was about another 10 foot taller. And this goes back about, well, I can just about reach it with my Hedgetrimmer there. But really I might want to take these out, but I would need a prune saw probably, which I haven't got. So I chopped a lot of this back with loppers, but it was hard work. But yeah, I really need a prune saw, but I've not got one. That's too thick really for the Hedgetrimmer to go for. So this is my Hedgetrimmer that I've done. So it's just a cheap little Black & Decker. Don't know what model it is, so it's just a little cheap thing. So the wires go here into the motor. So I know there's no wires here. I've already undone this anyway, so because I was the blade, but I know there's nothing through here. There's no wires or anything through here. So I drill a hole through this, put a nut and bolt through it, and through this thick broom handle, which just rests up against the end here, and then 2 cable ties, and it doesn't move. It's pretty sturdy. And this broom handle, you get like a thin one, medium one and a thick one. This is a thick broom handle. So size, so the reach it gives me, rather than holding it from, obviously from there, I've now got all this extra. Weight wise is balanced about there, which is about where I hold it anyway, so it's not too heavy. But anyway, that's a DIY version, and to turn this on you have to hold that in and that. The way I've got round of doing that is I put a clamp on that, and then you have to turn it on by here. So to keep it on, put another clamp on there. So obviously that's not going to be the safest, but it's worked alright for me. And but obviously you shouldn't be doing it, I suppose, for safety, but I am doing it. the other hedge, which I'll cut with this, which is, again, that's about the same height as that last one. This is a hedge which I did yesterday, and the phone stopped. That's what it ends up looking like. Not terrible.